Hello dear friends and blogger users. Welcome back to this channel and another Adsterra monetization video. In this video you will know how to earn from Adsterra by your referral link, and share your referral link and earn 5% commission revenue lifetime. And also you will know how to place your referral link to invite new publishers to Adsterra network, even if you don't have any blog or website. Let's get started with the video. All publishers who join Adsterra to monetize their websites or social traffic can add a solid commission fee to their payouts. Your first step here is sign up or log in and open the referrals page. If you are new here and don't have an invitation link yet, click on the Generate Invite button. You will get a unique URL. I already generated the link. Refer new publishers to Adsterra network and earn 5% of their revenue lifetime. The more people you refer, the more income you get. This is my referral list, that invited by me and they joined to Adsterra by using my referral link. As you see, for every registration and sign up I got 5%. Each time when someone uses my link to sign up as a publisher, Adsterra will get an alert that this referral came from you. These are your referral users. Adsterra will add to your regular payout a 5% surplus equal to your referrals earnings. And that's a regular commission. Now I show you how to promote your referral link. Scroll down and choose a banner. Follow me to design and choose your best banner size from here, and download the banners that suit you the most. As you see, it have PNG and GIF format. I'm going to use the GIF format. After you chose suitable banners for you, go download. And get back to your blog dashboard. On the layout menu, select the place you want to show your invitation banner. I want to place it on the right sidebar of my posts and blog. Add a gadget and select the image gadget. On the Select Image by, choose to upload image from the computer. Upload the banner that you just downloaded from Adsterra. For getting the link, go to Adsterra and copy your referral code. Then paste it here. Save the changes and check and view the banner on your blog. Whenever new publishers or visitors click on the banner, they will redirect to the registration form. For every sign up and new registration you will get your 5% commission from Adsterra. The second trick or method is, if you don't have a blog, you can place your referral code to your YouTube channel banner. For that, follow the steps. Here add your referral link to your YouTube channel banner link. Those visitor and publishers are click and register by your referral link, and Adsterra will pay you. The third trick and method is, to place your referral invitation link in the description section or comment of your video, and invite your friends to use your URL for registration. For more tips and tricks, join us on Telegram and WhatsApp group. Hope you got the video helpful, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and your supporting.